It is official, World War III has started a few minutes ago, initiated by Donald Trump and Putin. All TV channels may shut down by midnight except for news channels. Normal programming will now resume. On C8, French programs, William à midi, followed by Tuche par à mon poste and Les Animaux de la 8. On Snooze, continuous news coverage until midnight. On CSTAR, music programming. Wishing you a good day on the free Canal Plus channels.